All right, this is an introduction to exponents, and let's get going. To solve exponents, you multiply the base the number of times of what the exponent is. The exponent is written as a small number to the right above the base number. Here's an example. 3 is the exponent and 4 is the base. Here are some examples. 3 to the second is known as 3 squared, and 3 times 3 is 9. It is not 6. You do not do 3 times 2. 2 to the third is known as 2 cubed, and you would do 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And here's one way to kind of do it. You do 2 times 2 is 4, and then times 2 is 8. 5 to the third is 5 times 5 times 5. Again, it's known as 5 cubed equals 125. Here's the explanation. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. 4 squared, or 4 to the second, is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 squared is 5 times 5, which is 25. 1 to the fourth is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. For these, I'm going to put them all up. Feel free to pause the video and try them yourself, or try them one by one, whatever you want to do. But I'm going to work them one by one. All right, 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, and that's going to be 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Right, 6 cubed is 6 times 6 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36, and 36 times 6 is 216. 3 to the fourth, I'm going to do it 2 different ways. It's pretty neat. I'm going to do 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. That gives you 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 3 is 81. Now watch this. I'm going to do it again and watch an easier way. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 9 is 81. So you can do multiply in any order you want. 2 to the fourth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 5 to the fourth is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is like 5 quarters. That's 125. And then I can go over here and do it if I can't do it in my head. 125 times 5. 625. 2 to the fifth is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. You could just look at number 7 and just do another times 2. All right, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. And then 16 times 2 is 32. So it's just 16 here times 2. 7 cubed. 7 times 7 times 7 equals 7 times 7 is 49. And then I can do 49 times 7 to the side. And I get 343. And there you have it.